Hello everyone, welcome to the Crack You video series. Today we are here to discuss static GK finance questions for CMAT 2022. Please do visit our website crackyou.in and you can download the previous paper. There it would be helpful for your exam. We are having CMAT crash course which include day-wise schedule and all the important topics, and the price for CMAT crash course is ₹1,999. Along with that we are having CMAT mocks which is ₹299. Link is given in description. Please do visit and enroll for these packages for your better practice. Let's start with the first question. Pick the right match from the following combinations. The correct answer is A, that is Shenzhen China, NSE India, SGX Singapore and DAX Germany. Let's check the next question. Read the following. First is excise duty is a tax on manufacture or production of goods and services. Second one is not all kind of excise duty is collected by the central government of India. Third is excise duty is an indirect tax. Which of the statements given above are correct? The correct answer is D. All of the above. Means all the three statements are correct. Let's check the next question. At present, India is following which kind of exchange rate? The correct answer is B. Floating exchange rate. So, in India right now, floating exchange rate is following. Let's check the next question. What is the full form of NBFC as used in the financial sector? The correct answer is E. None of these. So, the full form of NBFC is non-banking financial company. So, NBFC is a company registered under the Companies Act 1956. Companies Act 1956. So, it is engaged in the business of loans and advance, acquisition of shares, stock, bonds, debentures, securities issued by government or local authorities or other marketable securities of a like nature, leasing, hire purchase, insurance, these things. Let's check the next question. WTO basically promotes. The correct answer is D. Multilateral trade. So, WTO is World Trade Organization, is an organization that intends to supervise and liberalize international trade. That is called multilateral trade. Let's check the next question. Commercial paper is an unsecured money market instrument issued in the form of a promissory note. Commercial paper can be used in denominations of. The correct answer is D. That is 5 lakh or multiples thereof. So, CP is commercial paper and it can be issued in demonetization of ₹5 lakh or multiples thereof. Let's check the next question. Government usually classifies its expenditure in terms of planned and non-planned expenditure. Identify which is the correct definition of planned expenditure. The correct answer is C. That is, it is the expenditure which is spent through centrally sponsored programs and flagship scheme of government. Let's check the next question. Many times we read about SHGS in financial newspapers. What is the full form of the term? So, the full form of SHGS is self-help groups. Let's check the next question. Which of the following agencies, organizations in India maintains the micro finance development and equity fund? The correct answer is E. National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, that is NABARD. Let's check the next question. Many times we read about the performance of Asian markets in various financial newspapers. Which of the following is not included in Asian market? The correct answer is E, Brazil. So Brazil is not included in the Asian market. Let's check the next question. Which of the following is not a financial term? The correct answer is B, double fault. So all these four options are included in financial term. The first one is asset test, which we can say it is a quick ratio. The another name of asset test is quick ratio. Then gross profit is included in financial term. Then depreciation is also included in financial term. And cash flow is also included in financial term. But the double fault is not included in the financial term. Let's check the next question. In the terms of economics, the recession occurring 2 times with a small gap in between is known as dash. The correct answer is D, double dip recession. Double dip recession is also referred to as W-shaped recession. Let's check the next question. Which of the following terms is not used in economics? The correct answer is E, Boyle's law. Balance of payment, call money, national debt, elasticity of demand, it is included in economics. The last option is not included in it. The Boyle's law meaning is the observation that the pressure of an ideal gas is inversely proportional to its volume and constant temperature. Let's check the next question. Which of the following correctly explain the incidence of income tax in India? The correct answer is B, that is the center can levy tax on all income other than agriculture income. Let's check the next question. Which of the following is not one of the major charges usually levied on a Demat account? The correct answer is C, that is annual fee for spot conversion of one currency into another. So this is not the major charges usually levied on the Demat account. Let's check the next question. Pre-shipment and post-shipment is related with which finance? The correct answer is B, export finance. So pre-shipment and post-shipment is related to the export finance. Let's check the next question. The purchase of shares and bonds of Indian companies by foreign institutional investors is called? The correct answer is D, that is foreign indirect investment. So the purchase of share and bond of Indian companies by foreign institutional investors is called as foreign indirect investments. Let's check the next question. Disinvestment in public sector is called? The correct answer is D, privatization. So disinvestment is the process in which a certain percentage of shares of public sector units are disinvested to the private sector, and it is also known as privatization. Let's check the next question. The terms microeconomics and macroeconomics were coined by? The correct answer is C, Ragnar Frisch. The term microeconomics and macroeconomics was first coined by a Norwegian economist, that is Ragnar Frisch, in 1993. Let's check the next question. Price theory is also known as? The correct answer is D, microeconomics. So price theory is also known as microeconomics, and it is concerned with the economic behavior of consumers and producers, and it helps us understand the pricing, allocation, production and consumption of goods and services. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share and subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you. All the best.